Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a hidden dancer in the Let's Dance project. So I'm going to do this with a Scratch Cat. You can pick a new sprite if you'd like to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want Scratch Cat to hide when I press the green flag. And then we're going to wait a random amount, and then Scratch Cat is going to show. So to do that, we're going to use a show block and an operator. And so in this operator, we're going to tell it to wait a random number of seconds. So because I'm testing this, I want to make this a pretty small number, like 1 and 3. Otherwise, if you made it so that it was like 60 seconds and 120 seconds, you could be waiting anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes before you actually see if your code works. So when we press the green flag, Scratch Cat is hiding and then appears. Cool. So let's try this one more time, see if it still works. All right, so he appeared a little bit quicker this time. That's great. It's exactly what I wanted to do. Now, I'm going to make this more interesting. Scratch Cat is going to dance. And if we look under the costumes of Scratch Cat only has 2 dance moves. Kind of like me. I have this move. That's about it. I'm not very good at it. I guess I need to practice more. Sorry. So all I'm going to do is just switch to the next costume and wait a little bit when Scratch Cat shows up. So I'm going to have Scratch Cat do this 8 times. So let's test this real quick. It's always good to test your code when you're working on it. Yeah, and he's dancing, and he'll do that 8 times. This is exactly what I wanted to do. Now, instead of doing this hidden dance one time, I actually want this dance to occur forever. So I'm going to put this loop on it, and let me zoom out a little bit. And it's going to, when it finishes doing the dance, it's going to loop back and make Scratch Cat hide again, and then wait a random amount, and then finally show up and do this again. Now, we can make this even fancier. So for instance, we can make it so that Scratch Cat starts right here when hidden. So we drag him to the position we want, then we say go to there when you're hiding. And then we drag him where we want him to dance. And so we could say, once you show up, glide over to right there, and then start doing your dance. And then we could even add in something like and play a sound or start a sound as soon as you start dancing. So now Scratch Cat will hide and be over to the left, like somewhere over here. And we'll wait a random amount. Scratch Cat will show up over here and then is going to glide over to this position, make a sound, and start dancing. And then it repeats this whole thing all over again. So let me press the green flag, show you what it does. So Scratch Cat's hiding, glides over, made the sound, and then starts dancing and repeats this 8 times before hiding again. Now, if you wanted to, you could also have Scratch Cat glide off the stage at the very end. Something like this. So have Scratch Cat glide to like -240. And so now when we do this, Scratch Cat will glide back off the stage before hiding it again. Let's see if it does it. And goodbye. Awesome. Now, Scratch Cat jumps back onto the stage really quickly, and I wouldn't want that for my hidden dancer. You could. Maybe that's exactly what you want. But what I'd recommend doing is setting this to a higher number, like 60 to 120, so 1 minute to 2 minutes. And then that way people don't know that there's this dancer that's all of a sudden going to appear a minute or so into your project. So experiment with this. I know this was a lot in a video. This is a more advanced video on here, but rewind this or check out the quick reference guide so that way you can understand what's going on exactly with each one of the blocks that's in this code. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.